Can you optimize FL Studio export settings for better sound? Have you ever wondered if you can make your music sound even better by tweaking the export settings in FL Studio? Well, the answer is yes. Optimizing these settings is a key part of your music production workflow. It can significantly impact the quality of your final mix. Let's break down how to do this effectively. First off, the file format you choose matters a lot. For the best audio quality, go with a lossless format like waveform audio file format or free lossless audio codec. These formats keep all the original audio data intact. On the other hand, if you choose a compressed format like MPEG Layer Audio 3, you might lose some quality. This format is better for sharing rather than for final mastering. Next, let's talk about bit depth. Exporting at a higher bit depth, like 24-bit or 32-bit float, helps retain more detail in your audio. 16-bit is the standard for many platforms, but if you want to keep more dynamic range, 24-bit is a solid choice for your final exports. Sample rate is another important factor. Make sure to match the sample rate of your export to your project's sample rate. Common rates are 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz. Higher sample rates, like 96 kHz, capture more detail but can make your file size larger. For most purposes, the standard rates work just fine. Dithering is also something to consider. If you are reducing bit depth, like going from 32-bit float to 16-bit, enable dithering. This process adds a small amount of noise to help mask any errors that might occur, especially in quieter parts of your audio. When it comes to master effects, decide if you want to include them during export. If you want the final sound with all effects applied, make sure to enable them. But if you are exporting stems or individual tracks, you might want to leave those effects off for further mixing later. Lastly, use the export options wisely. The Leave Remainder option ensures your entire song is exported without cutting off any reverb or delay tails. For exporting in MPEG Layer Audio 3, choose Constant Bitrate to maintain consistent quality throughout the track. Before you hit that export button, double-check your project's sample rate and bit depth in the audio settings. For final masters, aim for 24-bit waveform audio file format or free lossless audio codec with dithering enabled if you are reducing bit depth. For quick previews or online sharing, export as MPEG Layer Audio 3 at 320 kilobits per second with a constant bitrate. When exporting stems for collaboration, consider exporting individual tracks without master effects. This gives you more flexibility in mixing later. Each time you render, carefully select these parameters based on how you plan to use the audio file. By optimizing your export settings in FL Studio, you can ensure your music maintains its intended quality and sounds great on various playback systems. This step is essential for delivering professional-sounding final products.